Well, it's not only made a big difference for me because I have a place to work and I have an avenue to impact these kids' lives, but we see about 200 kids walk through these doors in the construction building out here. And I just think it's a great opportunity for them to get out of the main school, practice their skills, learn new skills, learn about the construction trades, and be a part of project-based work. The students of the construction classes have everywhere from putting the finishing touches on the walls to painting the inside to building out the infrastructure with the storage racks and all the stuff that you see in this building right now. Even this big metal building right here, I think it was 2022, my advanced level class built this building because we needed a place to work on projects outside of the weather and store our stuff. So huge impact.
I started off thinking it's just fun, didn't really take it serious, but over the years I've started liking it more, and I do want to go into the field when I grow up. We learn a lot of respect above all things, I feel like. Learn how to put things together, use tools, use our minds.
This is my Construction Tech 3, so yeah, I've taken it 2 semesters last year. I wanted to take this class so I could get more practice working with tools like the compound match saw, tape measures, and all that, because I would like to get into the trades as I get out of high school. I've wanted to do it since like 6th grade. Like, I've been wanting to do trades, so I knew once I got into high school that this class was for me, and all the other shop classes here. My family has been more on the blue collar and trade sides, and I really wanted to get into that stuff because it makes sense to me, it's just what I like doing. But I'm planning on going to a trade school for diesel mechanic or construction, so this class will really help with that.
As we stand here right now, we have 2 cottages that were being worked on this semester. This first one you see is a cottage that we're building for the Talent Mobile Estates. They have a need for an outside storage structure for their lawnmowers and shovels and different things like this. And behind it you see a 99% completed cottage over there that we're building, and we will donate to the Joy community, which is a homeless facility for senior citizens. So some senior citizen who's living in their car right now will have an insulated, powered, lights, flooring. They'll have a space to live in. So that's been a pretty profound experience for me and the students working on it. They get to see that what they're working on is going to benefit the community and ultimately make life better for a person. So it's awesome.
I like working on this cottage over here. Last year I made this concrete tower thing. That was pretty cool. And my freshman year we made picnic tables. That was fun too. We got some pretty good stuff. I think this class really did inspire me to pursue it for sure. I never really thought about it before.
So my favorite was last year for second semester, which is Construction Tech 2 I had. We made cement outlines and stuff. I did a lamb because at the time I was doing a lamb for FFA. So we got to paint it and we did epoxy over it. So I did a lamb with the American flag with FFA in it. We had to learn how to trace our outline of the animal or the shape we were doing. And we got to learn how to mix and make concrete and pour it and not overdo it, make it too runny so it didn't dry quick.
Most of the students love this class. How can you not? It's a hands-on class. You're manipulating materials, you're working with tools, you're fastening things together, you're constantly in a state of creating and building, and it's a class that at the end of the day or at the end of the week or at the end of the semester, you're able to step back and see a completed product, something that you've sweated over, you've Maybe you hit your thumb with a hammer while you were building it. Maybe you made a mistake and had to restart a different part of it. You fought through all the different problems that were associated with the project, and when it's done, you get to step back and look at it and feel that sense of accomplishment. So I think that's huge. I think that's one of the beauties of these types of classes and this construction class here.
It is really great. It is. I wasn't expecting for it to be this good for the being school stuff, but it is actually, we got great tools, we got great safety equipment. So I am really happy. It was a great thing for the school to have. I feel like it's perfect size. Like, we don't have too much space, but we don't have like too little. We have just enough for what we need to do. And we have all out here in the enclosed area in case it's raining or in case like heavy winds, we could go in there and work on our projects. But yeah, it's perfect.
That's something we're teaching these kids, is that there's thousands of different avenues and trades that they can pursue. We're trying to make them aware of some of those trades and professions and how successful one can be and how many different opportunities are out there for somebody willing to pursue a trade in the construction field. Other students that upon graduation from Phoenix High School, they're entering in apprenticeship programs, and they're getting right into the workforce. In fact, I say 5 to 10 kids a year that have graduated will notify me or call me and ask for guidance on career pathways and different avenues on how to get into different trades and different careers. So it's pretty cool.